Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get a modded version of Survivor.io onto your phone. No jailbreaker computer needed, guys. This is going to give you unlimited resources. It's super insane. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it, as you guys can see. So let's get right into the video. So what you want to do, guys, is go over to this website. It's called Zoo Mods. They have a ton of mods for apps and games. So once you're on this website, guys, we're just going to go to the search bar and type in Survivor.io. So let me just do that right here for you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and type it in. So let me just do that. So I'm just going to type in Survivor. And as you can see, guys, it says Survivor.io mod. So just go ahead and press on this. It's going to download. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. It's super insane. So if this video works for you guys, I'll be really happy. But I'm going to show you guys right here. If we go over to the App Store and we type in Survivor.io, you guys can see how expensive this game really is, which is why I do not want you guys to have to spend any of your hard-earned money on this game. So as you can see, guys, here's the game, and when we go to in-app purchases, as you can see, guys, it is super expensive. So instead, guys, we can download the modded version from Zoo Mods, guys. They have your back. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. It's super insane. If this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video. This is super crazy, bro, and it actually works. So yeah, if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, this is super insane. As you can see, I can download the Survivor.io mod, guys, which is totally working. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. This is super crazy, and it's totally updated, guys. So if you enjoy this game, be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and have fun with this totally updated method, guys, which is super cool.